What's going on with the truckers? So the other day I put out this video showing a DOT officer giving a truck driver a hard time.
Stop! Hello, sir. Super Hassenfeld, State Police. The reason I'm jumping out with you here, you've got an issue with your tires on your trailer.
I know, I'm in line.
Oh, are you waiting for that to get it fixed up? You know that you're missing, you're treading your mud flaps jacked up under it?
Yeah, I'm in line.
Okay, well, I didn't know you were in line.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a violation of commercial motor vehicles. You have your license, registration, proof of insurance.
You're kidding me, right?
No, sir, I'm not.
I'm in line at the repair shop and you're coming over here and doing that.
Okay. I need to see your license, registration, proof of insurance.
I mean, he was on his way to fixing his tire, and this DOT officer blocked his truck and wanted to see his license and registration for a tire violation, right? I mean, people on social media, all the subscribers went crazy saying it's private property and they can't do that. And so I thought to reach out to my friend John, who is an ex-DOT officer for over 20 years of experience, give his reasoning and give more information to know if this was even legal or not. But I try to deep dive for you guys so that we can understand and so that we can save ourselves from this headache as well. So was that DOT officer in the right or wrong? Was he pushing this truck driver around, or was he just trying to be Mr. Big Almighty for his trainee? Or whatever it is, let's see what John has to say.
All right, I just looked at this video that was sent to me by Mother Trucker. Who am I? I used to be a state patrol guy. My name's John Seidel. Then I was an investigator with the feds, and I was a hazmat guy, so 20 years government regulator. I now work for Trucking Wins. We're an online training portal about to launch some real cool training stuff, right? But set that aside, this video, it's crazy. I'm from the state of Wisconsin. I used to be an inspector, and if I've seen something cheesy in my day, this is clearly that, right? So what happened? Driver's in line to get his tire fixed, get a mud flat fixed. DOT guy comes up and says, I'm going to inspect your truck. Now listen, he was on what is considered a highway according to the federal government. That may seem cheesy in itself. As long as you're on a road, street, or way, open to the public on private or public property, doesn't matter. If anybody in a car can drive through there, then an officer technically can inspect you even if you're waiting in line. Out of 100 officers, how many would do this? Man, maybe like 3 or 4. I'd have never done it. And I thought I was pretty hard sometimes when I was a state trooper, right? But this guy is completely cheesy. Now, what does the driver has of an option if he gets pulled over and gets violated? It could hurt his CSA scores for the company. It can hurt his driver information resource, individual, PSP. So he could do a data queue. And hopefully he could appeal to the good sense of an officer with real discretion, opposite of this guy right here. Maybe the supervisor who manages that guy doesn't like him. You do the data queue, he may say, man, quit being so cheesy there, right? And they'll get rid of it. Technically, is it a violation? Yes, because the driver drove there with a bad tire and a mud flat missing. But you got to give the benefit of the doubt of these guys. I'm with you. DOT gets a bad name by some of the officers that do stuff like this in the parking lot. So, John Seidel, Trucking Wins. Thanks for the opportunity to respond to this video. Appreciate you guys.